Mai-connect nga yung yam, anong yam body
Wala
part
tayo
ng
tatanong
G.
ha. Sa dami na.
Pangit naman. Hindi ko naman alam kung paano sasagutin yan. Pinakagusto ko.
Oo, pinakagusto.
His eyes.
Kasi,
Yummy as in.
It doesn't not really tasty, you know. Kaya nga sabi ko, hindi naman siguro kailangan yum.
no tasty.
Pinakagusto na lang, sabi ko. How am I gonna answer that?
Parang may gustong isagot si James. Joke.
Diba? How am I gonna answer that?
About yung ano, cheesiest gesture naman.
Cheesy.
Next bacon.
Ay, hindi ko na mai-connect yung ano, hindi ko na mai-connect yung bacon.
Pinaka-favorite ko talaga na ginawa din, bukod dun sa first day, yung Valentine's Day surprise.
Even I like that.
Flower, may balloons. Yun mo eh. Parang first time kasi may nag-surprise natin for Valentine's Day. So yun, may balloons, ganyan. So, kailangan putukin ko pa para malaman kung ano yung 5 things na gusto niya sa akin. Ganyan. Tapos merong convertible na vintage na car. Gano'n.
Doon ako nainggit sa car.
Sa car, actually. Yun yung pinaka-highlight ko ng car.
How did it affect you personally, yung kilig na part?
Personally. Well, sobrang kinilig ako kasi wala pang nag-surprise sa akin before. May flowers, may car. It was a whole day of surprises.
And why did you do that? What was on your mind na gusto mo may ganitong treat for
It's not
Charlie?
a Valentine's or anything. And Nadine's the closest girl to me. Why
Ma-agree.
not?
Spontaneous.
I enjoyed the gifts.
Pati siya nag-enjoy.
The car. And then we went to Antipolo, had dinner, just some rest hours.
Pinaka-na-appreciate ko kay James na yung sobrang sama na napakiramdam. Kasi, jam-pack ko yung araw na yun, yung show.
Oo, Jaden
Pagod na siya.
Like, that was like how big it would be.
Pero nanonood kami ng Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Yun po kasi yung yung dun sa dinner na after yung dinner meeting. Nanonood kami. Daldal siya ng daldal. Kahit masama na pakiramdam niya, daldal pa rin.
Hindi naman delirio yun. Hindi naman delirio yun.
Ano ba?
Hindi naman siya nag-delirio nun.
Delirious. Delirious, like,
Yung sobrang lagnat. Kung ano na
No, you're not. You're just telling me stuff about the movie.
Yan, ano, sa